everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a really exciting video for you. What I'm going to be doing testing Bella and Bear, the brand, and some of their products. We vibing. Even when it's raining down. Can't stop, so shut your mouth. Okay, so before we get started, yes, I got braces. I literally just got them, I'm not even joking, 2 hours ago. And they didn't hurt at all. It feels really weird. So if I'm talking a little bit funny, I will get used to it, I promise. I know my mouth is making weird movements in my mouth. Well, I think I am. I don't know. But I've only got them on the top teeth, so I haven't got any on the bottom. But yeah, I'm fine, don't worry. Yeah, I hope you'll still watch me. I don't look too bad, do I? Okay, good. Anyway, before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below because I'm trying to get to 20k by the end of the year. And give it a big thumbs up because let's try get to 400 likes. Okay, so the company that I'll be like reviewing and trying two of their products out are called Bella and Bear, and they kindly sent me a package for free. It's PR. They this video isn't sponsored, but I did get sent it for free, but obviously my opinion is not biased. I'm just giving you my own review and what I think of it. And they gave me this kind of package, and they have got their own website that they do sell on Amazon, I believe. I'm pretty sure, because I'm sure that's an Amazon wrapper. I don't know. Yeah, they sent me two of their products, and I'm going to show them to you. Basically, their company is it's lovely to look at. Do you know what I mean? Because they have such nice packaging, and I don't know, it's just so cute, all their stuff. They sent me two of their things, the Serval eyeliner brush and the I Am Mighty eyelash curler. So I'm going to be showing them in a minute. First of all, their Instagram is called Bella_and_Bear. Links will be down below to their website, links will be down below to their Instagram as well. And yeah, I'm going to be trying them out, but I don't know which one to do first. Well, obviously we'll do eyeliner first. So this is the Serval eyeliner brush. And oh my god, look how cute the packaging is. Literally, love it. And it's like proper in there and everything. Oh. And this is what it looks like. Oh my god, it's actually it looks really expensive. It is $8.99. Let's just say $9. It's $9. It looks like this, and it's just got like a bend in the wand thing. Does that make sense? And then it comes with a little thing on the top. Oh, that was a bit scary. And it's very thin and flimsy in a good way, obviously. And this is handmade synthetic hair. It is also cruelty free, obviously, and it says on their website it's easy application for creams, powders and liquids. Now, I don't actually have anything I can dip this into, so I'm going to have to be taking this Technique liquid liner and taking the actual wand out and then dipping it into the product, because that's the only way we can do it. And I'm going to be trying it out for you. You can watch me do it. I'm a little bit nervous. Guy, by the way, I'm not best at eyeliner anyway, so please don't judge me. But yeah. Getting a bit up close and personal, are we? No, we're not. Stop somewhere. Yeah, so this is the brush, and I'm just going to be taking this Technique one out because, like I said, let's put it there. Nope, that's going to fall. I'm really nervous. Okay, oh yeah, excuse my non-makeup face. I got no makeup on and like a state, but who cares? Because I'm not doing a full face makeup. Yeah, okay, I'm just going to dip it in. Right, right, hang on. I don't think it fits in. Oh, okay, there you go, we got it on. I'm so nervous, you don't even know. Okay, I'm really nervous. Hang on, let me just tilt the camera down a bit.
I'm so new, I can barely breathe, and all I wanna do is to fall in deep. But it's like what it is to be happy forever, in love forever. You start to give it to me, how many
I'm sorry, but what? This is insane. It's insane. I do my eyeliner because it's like so upwards, but I like how I do my eyeliner. And this, okay, it's that's not the brush's fault, obviously, that's the eyeliner's fault, so it's transferred there. No, I smudged it! It was going so well. But the actual eyeliner, let's ignore, we're talking about the brush, we're talking about the application here. You can bend it to whatever way you want. You can do like along there, or you can like then flick it out. It's amazing. You can get that technique you've always wanted. Blimmin' excellent this is. I'm going to go... I love it. This is absolutely brilliant. I can't believe it. But let's ignore the actual eyeliner because the eyeliner is rubbish. Okay, so for some reason the lightings are like suddenly gone completely wrong. The lighting, but did I say lighting? I don't even know. I'm going mental. The next one I'm going to be showing you is the Bella & Bear Eye and Mighty Eyelash Curler. And again, comes in the cute little boxes. And then when you open it, it comes with this little like bag. Oh my god, it reminds me of my nan, like a little toiletry bag. And this can like, it's great for travel. Do you know what? This is a great gift. This would be the best Mother's Day gift, or Father's Day if your father wears makeup. Nothing wrong with that. And literally would be I think this would be an amazing gift. Like, no, this would be a good gift for your nan. I'm getting my nan this. Not actually, because I want to keep it. I'm so weird. Help me. But also it keeps it clean, which is like the most important thing because we don't want it getting dirty. And the inside actually looks like this, and it has red hand finger holders. Does that make sense? And in the bag it comes with 5 of these replaceable rubber bands. That sounds a little bit weird, but no. It says on the website it avoids painful like eyelid pinches because of the way it's set out, and it also is great for small eyes, like hooded eyes, any kind of eyes it says. And it's an ergonomic design. No idea what that is, but it sounds cool. And this is actually retails at $11.99, which, you know what, it's a bit pricey for an eyelash curler, but not really compared to like the really expensive ones. So we're going to be trying this out. I'm going to leave it on for 2 minutes because that's what I'm just going to do. Let's see. Oh, okay, yeah, that's good. It definitely does not pinch. Okay, I'm going to... All my eyelashes in there? Can I even see my eyelashes? Yeah, all my eyelashes are in there. So let's just... Okay, I think that's well enough time now, so we're going to undo it. Whoa! What? Look at that! Are you joking me? Looks like I'm wearing natural falsies. Oh my god, no, honestly, I'm not just saying this is amazing. I got this eye. I love it. You don't even have to wear mascara. Yes! Yeah. I'm sorry, Bella and Bear, I love you. It's amazing. And then you get this little clamp because when you're done with it, you want it to like obviously fit in places. Pop it back in the bag. This honestly is perfect. This would be the best gift ever. I would like, it's cute. It's like one of them stocking fillers, like, you know, you just don't know what to get them, so you buy them an eyelash curler because who doesn't need an eyelash curler? Who does not need one? Anyway, yeah. Anyway, that is the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know it was a bit short and a bit different for me, but I just wanted to show you this brand's products because honestly, I just thought they deserved it because they are quite a small brand and I wanted to get them to know more, as like obviously, and I just think they're great. You do need to check out the website. They do so many more things, all with this packaging because it's so cute. And make sure you hit that subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell. Oh, I'm so generic. And give it a big thumbs up. And I love you all so much. Bye.